Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix some burn throughs. Alright, let's just begin. Everything is covered and ready to go. But I did have a couple of burn throughs when I was sanding for this flow coat. And I am going to show you how to fix them. So let's just get to it. How did this happen? It's because I sanded more than what I needed to sand for this flow coat. So I did cut it basically on the edges, guys. I did cut a couple of areas. So what you do, you tape. I tape them up. I tape them up just to see that I won't lose them. So what I do in order to fix them, I still have paint on both of this dark blue and this teal color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get myself an airbrush. I use this airbrush. Okay. It's self-contained right here. It's real simple to use. This is the compressor right there, which perfect. All I gotta do is fill up the little can with the paint and start painting it. I am gonna use this. Let me show you. There you go. All those little burn throughs, they're gone. Now let's just do the flow coat. Apply 2 coats of clear. Should be good. This is a really good airbrush, guys. I'm gonna leave all the details as to where you can get it in the description below. It has helped me out a lot on these type of little burn throughs, like little minor burn throughs. So there you go. All right, I already unmasked it. As you can see, all the burn throughs came out looking nice. I'm already installing everything. It's a little dirty right now, but as you can see with the flow coat, nothing. So this is another type of if you don't want to cut and buff, this is another thing you can do, guys, and they come out looking beautiful. Alright guys, this is gonna be it. This is how to fix some burn throughs when you're preparing to do a flow coat. Just take those steps. I did leave all the materials that I used in the description below. If you want to check them out, check them out. Thank you. Like always, stay safe and God bless.